I had no bread, no pasta, no rice for 30 days, and this is what happened. What's up, everybody? This is Introverted Fitness Dad. I'm 39, a father of two. I have a day job, and I'm here to share my fitness journey with you guys. This is a follow-up to my 30-day no sugar challenge. Just like that one, I got my blood drawn again, and I'm excited to share my results with you. I've been following Paul Saladino for a while. He's all about an animal-based diet, which is mainly meats, fruits, dairy, and honey. He used to be against vegetables, but he's recently come out and said, try it and see how your body feels. I'm a Filipino, so I've seen my family eat vegetables most Americans probably never even heard of, and they did fine. So I decided, okay, let's try mostly meat, fruits, and veggies. My family and I have already been incorporating a lot of the things that Paul does. We've already been eating a lot of meat, a lot of steak, fruit, and honey. And so the biggest challenge for me was cutting out the bread, the pizza, the pasta, the noodles, and the rice. And if you're Asian, you know rice is life. Filipino dishes are full of flavor, and the rice balances it all out. So for 30 days, it was like burgers without buns, tacos without wraps, and Filipino dishes minus the rice. Trust me, guys, it was hard. So in March, I did the 30-day no sugar challenge. Then in April, I started the 30-day no carbs challenge. And I had high hopes and expectations. Why? Because I thought this was my shortcut to getting lean. I was gonna continue working out, and I knew carbs like rice and bread carry a lot of calories. So by cutting them out, I thought that I was just gonna melt off the fat. So what happened? Well, at the end of the 30 days, I stayed at 180 pounds, not a single pound dropped. And I got discouraged, you guys. I was down in the dumps. And then life happened. May, we had birthdays. June, we had graduations. July 4th. And it's not like I was eating rice every day, but I did have it on those occasions. And also ate some dessert, just to be honest. Then by the end of July is when I rechecked my labs. Before we go over the labs, can we have a heart-to-heart? I'll be real. Part of me just wanted this to be an easy win. Cut out the carbs, get shredded, six-pack thumbnail. But that didn't happen. I had to remind myself, I'm not doing this for abs. I don't have a bodybuilding or fitness trainer background. I'm a nurse. I'm just trying to share my journey to better health. And honestly, I've always been a function over fashion guy. Just look at me. Growing my hair to save money, because with my thick wavy hair, I'd have to cut my hair every 2 weeks. That's almost $100 a month. Look at my workout clothes. It's not influencer level. That's proof I'm just a regular dad trying to figure this out. All right, so let's talk about the numbers. First off, let's get my blood pressure. Next, let's take a look at my A1C, which dropped slightly from 6 to 5.9. And might not be much, but I have to take that as a win, guys, because at least I'm heading towards the right direction. Now I just got to double down on no rice, no sugar, and I'm also planning to cut back on high sugary fruits and stick mainly to berries, which sucks because mangoes and watermelon are in season right now. Oh well. And also, no more honey. And I'm also planning to cut back on my healthy creamer down to just 1 teaspoon. The third lab test I'm gonna talk about is concerning my creatinine, which is my kidney marker. I should really talk to my doctor about this because I don't even know if this is something I should really worry about, but I'm really interested in taking creatine. This is good for memory, muscle recovery, and strength, but it can also affect my kidneys. So I'll probably do another 30-day experiment on it and see how my body changes, see how it affects my kidneys. But I'm gonna do this in December and recheck my labs in January. And finally, I added a top secret test, and it was my T levels. Here it is. Now, is that low, guys? If you're in your 30s, 40s, all natty, drop your T levels in the comments below. Doesn't hurt to ask, right? My plan to improve this is to manage my stress, which skyrocketed thanks to my 2 energetic boys, improve my sleep, and stay consistent with my workouts. Now, sleep has always been my biggest weakness. I've been struggling with it my whole life. It's time to finally fix that. I'll be documenting it and sharing it with you guys. Stay tuned. Overall, what can I learn from this? Well, Paul Saladino's diet didn't really fail me. I didn't follow it perfectly, and to his credit, he never promised shredded abs. So I'll continue following him because he shares a ton of good research. As far as my diet goes, it sounds like I'm gonna go low carb. I'm gonna continue to cut out processed carbs and even pull back on high sugary fruits to improve my blood sugar. My biggest lesson though is I'm gonna stop obsessing over the scale. I'm still 176 to 180 pounds, but I feel like I'm getting stronger and stronger. I'm pushing more reps and my body looks different. So far, I'm happy with my progress. If you're a dad trying to balance health, family, and a busy schedule, check out my other videos. I got one on testosterone and my first 30-day no sugar challenge that set the stage for this. Also, follow me on IG at Introverted Fitness Dad and watch me put in the work. Have a great day.